Rajendra Bhatia. I happen to be a design teacher for last 25 years, now director with Design IFA. As you know, in the recent announcement of the NATA examination, the question pattern has changed because of inability or inability of the organizers to take a physical examination. The examination has changed over to the online examination, and I must compliment the people who are setting up the question paper that they have very intelligently not reduced the weightage of drawing in the NATA examination. On contrary, they have changed the pattern of question, and that is the challenge of today, like to understand the patterns of question and answer them. You all have already come to know through Sonali that the online examination will have 10 of creative ability questions, but the pattern of their question has absolutely changed, because you are not to really sketch over there, but depending on your sketches or their sketches, you have to answer the questions. The first question is of 17 marks, 2, 3, 4 are of 16 marks each, and rest of the 6 questions which are going to be MCQ, they will be 10 marks each. The first 4 questions are PTQ. So it will be better if we really look into the questions and practically do it. You will get a clear idea as to how to solve the question. So let's do it together. I have selected few questions to give you an example of that. Thank you. Earlier we used to have question, let's say this is the sketch shown to you during the exam. Now earlier what used to be the question for such a sketch that you were supposed to draw like this? They used to say that you are on back of a horse, and it is a scene that you have to create of maybe 1850 when you are riding along with riding on back of a horse along with your colleagues, the other sentries, and some of them are walking along with the horses, and they are going towards a temple. They would also say that they are going towards north, and the light source is from right side. This used to be earlier question. Now right now the question will start from here. The sketch is already done. I did this sketch during one of my class demonstration. Okay, this is my signature. So well, on this they will show you on this question on a screen, and they may give you this kind of question to be answered, and that will be the preferential type of question asked to you, and you have to find out their answer properly. 12 minutes given for such a question. Now firstly, looking at this picture, they will say identify the set of principles most applicable to this sketch. Now how will you go about? Like the question will carry like there is a set of emphasis, proportion, movement. That is one. The other answer given is rhythm, unity, and proportion. Whichever appeals to you most is to be find out. You have to find out unity, hierarchy, and proportion. The fourth option for this could be hierarchy, unity, and movement. Now all may sound like correct answer. Yes. Now out of this 4 answer, in the second part you have to select one answer. In the first part you have to give the priority, that is in the first question, you have to give priority to the most suitable answer for this. For example, in this there is emphasis, there is proportion. Now proportion is the horse proportion to the man on top of it, the horse proportion with the man walking here, okay. Also the proportion of the vanishing sketches or the vanishing objects to this. So yes, there is emphasis on the subject. That also can be seen, that they are walking through a market. Then there is movement. Now where is movement? You can see here. So this is how you will recognize the right kind of an answer to such question. Now I am leaving it on the value that the examiner will give to such question. Like second question in this set could be identify the pair of elements most suitable with the reference to the given sketch. Now elements are the drawing elements. It's not the sphere here. भालाई को नहीं आपको recognize करना है. Elements कैसे बोलेंगे? Diagonal lines that give support and dependable. Okay, but is that the subject that you have to take care about? Vertical lines showing power and confidence. Uneven lines showing confusion. But is that the priority? Is that your priority answer? Or zigzag line showing fear? But is this a priority in this picture? Probably no. So you, in the first question, they will ask you all the four priorities to be, you have to prioritize the answer. Okay? Which is there? See, zigzag lines are there. There is a oblique line. There are straight lines showing confidence, power, etc. So you have to prioritize according to the theme that you think is most suitable for this picture or this sketch. Now there may be a third type of question. Identify the correct vanishing point for the first horse rider. This horse rider. And the option given where the two spheres are intersecting. Like here are two spheres intersecting. There could be the vanishing point. You have to recognize top of the second temple. Is that the vanishing point? Right corner of the cap of the second horse rider, or top of the spear of the first soldier. Which is the vanishing point? Which is the correct vanishing point? Okay. Now this kind of a question may be asked into the 2, 3, 4. In the first one, there cannot be a priority set for a vanishing point, because vanishing point in this case is one only, because it is this horse rider which is looking ahead. Okay. So, and the fourth kind of a question that I select out of this picture. All people in a sketch are moving towards north. What should be the time of this movement? The option could be 7 a.m., 10 a.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m. Now look, if the question says that the people are moving towards north, you have to recognize the shadow. If the shadow is falling on your left side, it is a sunrise time. So either it could be 7 a.m. or 10 a.m. Now look at the size of the shadow in relation to the subject. If it is little smaller, had it been 7 a.m., it would have looked very long. Now here in this case, it is looking little shorter. So this definitely is a time of 10 a.m. and cannot be 7 a.m. Cannot be 3 p.m. or 5 p.m. which are the evening time, wherein if you are moving towards north, then the sun would be on the west side, towards your left. Very simple question, but that will be the pattern, according to me, will be asked as the preferential one. Then they can also ask, as per the principle of the drawing, the priority to be set with the answer. That I have already talked to you. about. Now other kind of question, now see, they haven't changed the syllabus. So this is about the memory drawing, and you were supposed to really find out what was the balance, or does it satisfy even the rule of third. You have to take care, and you have to find out whether the picture is balanced. Is it really pointing out towards the subject? In this case it is not. So it is not really very truly satisfying the rule of third. But yes, there is some focal point on this horse. So that could be the subject, but that isn't the subject line. The subject where should have been properly placed and on the left golden focal point. So I think on that subject also we need to study now onward and work out. So we should study out all the principles. I have got somewhere around 12 principles sorted out, and there are 9 elements of sketch. So all that you have to study and try recognizing in all kind of drawing that you, or photograph I would say, that you come across. Right? Now other kind of question that I am expecting, it is just an example. There may be a full composition given here. Right? There is a cube which has got its light, shade, shadow. There is a pole here, and on top of it there is a light source, that is a bulb over there. Bulb is an artificial source of light. How do you think that if this sketch is already given, how the question could be framed? How many vanishing points are required to complete this sketch? Now, for common people who haven't studied physiography properly, the answer could be 2 vanishing points. I'll come to the right answer. Okay? So the question will be asked in this way: 1 vanishing point, 2 vanishing point, 3 vanishing point, or 4 vanishing points. You also start guessing by the time I really give you the answer. The other question could be: how many light sources will cast such a shadow of this cube? 1 artificial light, 2 artificial light, 1 artificial and 1 natural light, or the shadow is wrongly made. Now many of you all may get confused. How could a cube be having a pentagonal kind of a shadow? Right? Now I come to the answer of this. It is a 4 vanishing point sketch. You know how? There are 2 vanishing points for the object. There is 1 vanishing point for the length of the shadow. That is the source of light. 2 vanishing points on either side, 1 on the bulb, and 1 is at the bottom for the direction of the shadow. That is at the asterix of the light, right below the light. That is called as asterix. Asterix is otherwise indicated like this. So this kind of questions in physiography, okay, and of course the answer for the second question will be it is only 1 artificial light that will cast such kind of shadow, and not 2 and 3, although the shadow is moved on this side. Right? Another set of question, or another set in our syllabus has been 2-dimension design. Okay? Now this is a 2-dimension design done in our class. We have marked it as a good one. I expect this kind of a sketch given by them, and the question on this could be, what is the color scheme of this sketch or this arrangement? How many elements you think have been used in this kind of a two-dimension design? Okay. What could have been an alternative color scheme? Probably people who have got enough knowledge about color, they know that it is a analogous color scheme. Option they might as well give split color, analogous color, hot color, combination of hot and cool color. So you have to give a preferential answer to that as well. Of course, when I am expecting this to be a question among 2, 3 and 4, right? See, as far as MCQ questions are concerned, you all know that you have been kind of practicing them with the non-verbal reasoning, like all those paper folding questions and those questions which otherwise you were preparing for JEE-BR, the mostly non-verbal reasoning question. If there was a paper folded paper and you punch one of the side of it and reopen it, where all do you find those circles and all that? But these questions will be very, very different. I have not been asked so far, because here it is the other way around, that the examiner is doing the sketching and asking you based on what theme and what principle of drawing or elements the sketch was done, and even the coloring, right? So there may be question on analogous color, a split color, or any other, maybe hot and cool colors, combination of hot and cool colors, monochrome, and similar question. Okay, elements used in this are circle, triangle, and how many circle, how many triangle you think are the very basic of this. Plus there are rhythmic line in this question. Remember, such kind of things are very typical. Like you might as well try to recognize this triangle as a separate entity and this one as separate entity. You have to count all those triangle into it. But don't count this as triangle because it is forming out of the rhythmic line. Okay, friends, I think we can prepare very well depending how much inside of sketch you can really read. I have been, and rather I find myself to be lucky that in my class I have been taking a lot of such question, and we have been assessing the drawings done by every one of our students. So our students are a better place as of now, and we are still left out with about a month for the first NATA attempt, and the second NATA attempt I don't know because the dates are not announced, but we might as well get about 2 months or maybe 1.5 months from now, 1.5 months to 2 months. So let's see how best we can prepare. I am very confident our students can prepare well within 15 to 20 days, but still we will practice with 4 or 5 mock tests, and we'll see to it that every nook and corner of such questions are dealt with. Thank you very much for attending this session.